Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use the roundup formula. The roundup formula actually allows you to round your numbers which should go away from zero. So if you have this number, you want to round it up away from zero, then you need to type in is equal to roundup, open the bracket, select this number, comma, and press the number of digits, like for example 1. So this 1, which is over here, now becomes 2. It's trying to take it away from 0, increase its value. All right. Same here is equal to round up. Let's select this number and type the number of digits 2. It will not make any change because it is already a 2-digit number. Over here, it will definitely. Come on, 2. So now see, with 4, 8.42 becomes 8.43. It's trying to take it away from 0. Is equal to round. Now there is another way of using round, wherein say I can type in the numbers over here, the digits which I want to see after the decimal places. The digits which I want to use instead of decimal places. So how it will work in the referential mode, round up, I select this number, comma, and instead of typing in the digit number, I can select this number. Close the bracket, and you're getting 8.94. If I go into the edit mode by pressing F2, and instead of D8, if I choose D9, then it changed the 4 to a 5. So this is how the roundup formula works. See you in the next video.